In static structure analysis, first we need to import a geometry. There we go, and we import a assembly 2 here. First we locate the folder, and in project 6 ANSYS assembly 2 is imported. Now open it in DesignModeler. It's take a bit time. Now it's open and generate it. When you click generate, it will generate the assembly which you have created. It's also take a bit time. Now when assembly will be generated here, might be it is very much possible that its global coordinates are not at its original position or required position. To overcome this problem, we need to specify our coordinates. I will show you later here. Now assembly is generated here. You can see it is rotated. Now I click the new coordinate axis here. I have clicked it. Now from plane instead I select centroid. From centroid I have selected centroid. Now I select line, and here I select the periphery of a circle, and it import a new coordinates at the center of this circle. Now generated by clicking a generated. Here you can see a new coordinate. Here it is new coordinate. Now I have to move my local coordinates to the global coordinate. Here you can see my global coordinate is at different position, while my local coordinate is on the axis, is on the shaft axis. Here you can see I have to move this to the global coordinate. For this I have go to Boolean transformation, select move. Now destination is my global coordinate and source is my plane. I have to select my plane. Now it is my plane and my global coordinate xy plane. Now in body I will select whole geometry. I have selected it, apply, and then I will check on generate. Now generated. Now my body is transformed to the global coordinate. Now I have imposed the global coordinate on my required position. Now let's see the centroid. For this, go to toolbar, select here mesh, and then apply the whole body. Here you can see it will give the coordinate of the centroid. I have pinned it. I need to define it again. It's now pinned. Now let's see again tool. Now I have to go to mesh, fraction, and then mesh property, and I have selected here, pinned it again. Now selected the whole body selected, and now it gives the coordinate of the center of gravity of the body. Here you can see the coordinates, and that's all about for center of gravity.